and our speaker, Mr. R. Kaja, on behalf of SSNIAC. So, Mr. R. Kaja is the founder, Helios Innovation Private Limited, Chennai, and Assistant Professor, School of Mechanical Engineering, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. He completed his BE Mechanical Engineering in the year 2004 from Government College of Engineering and ME in Industrial Engineering in the year 2007 from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Madurai. He worked as a design engineer system at BGR Energy Systems Limited, Chennai during 2008-2011. He has 10 patents published and 25 industrial design patents granted. He completed the CMI Level 5 certified profession for India Education and Research Initiative Program. He is a member CDIO Council, Change of Mentor, Atal Tinkering Labs, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and he is the advisory board member, Center for Innovation and Design Thinking, Muthiamal Engineering College, and IPR expert for AVIT, Chennai. He received the Global Engineer Leadership Scholarship for Summer Research School, Taiwan, and he is the author of the book titled Rural Management Business Analytics, and he has also framed and executed 10 hours on design thinking and innovation courses for Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation, and he has published several papers in referred international journals and international conference. So on behalf of SSNIAC, we welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your wonderful introductions. Thanks to Seshai, ma'am, and Suresh Kumar, sir, for your wonderful introductions. Thanks to Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology and SSN College of Engineering Institutions Innovation Council. Today that I'm directly going for our topics, building on innovative products fit for a market. That is today the session's titles. Today the session title is building on how can able to build innovative products for a market fit, for a service based. That is today's titles. Knowledge without disseminations and technology. Just say that your educations, technology, which is not useful for the society, is a useless. That things you mind it in your product development stages. Just see, all the people, sir, have working some companies, some organizations, is touching with some organizations. You are finding, you are founding, you are inventing one new innovations, new innovative products mean you will become a founder of the company. That thing's the end of objectives, end objective for the idea generations. They say that 21st centuries, they need the four metro C's for rubric performance areas for the students. Sir, you are 21st century's students. You need the four C's: critical thinking, collaborations, communications, and creativity. For example, you just think creativity and critical thinking. Creativity is idea generation, design, courage to new explore, ignite your imaginations, workplace creativity, creative product, creative innovation, creative design, creative service. These are all the things are needed in your doc profile. And critical thinking means you have limited sources. You have limited sources. You should explore. You should execute your work. Yes, sir. This is your work. The work should complete within the 1 hour. That is a critical thinking. Yes, I can able to do this work within the 1 hour. That is a critical thinking. Innovations. People nowadays, IICs, Institute of Innovation Council, AICT, UGC, all the bodies are speaking innovation product, even though accreditations body like a NAC, NBA, NBAs are asking where is your project lab, what's your students innovative product. So lot of people are speaking about innovations, innovative products. Innovation is a journey. is a non-linear cycles. Today, the new products are coming in the market and tomorrow it's old. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the new and one more new products are coming. Is a non-linear cycles of divergence and convergence activity. Is a non-linear cycles of divergence and convergence activities. It means over at times at a different organizations level, if resources obtained to renew these cycles. Just note it, the word is a non-linear cycles, is a divergence are there and convergence are there, the innovation journeys. For example, divergence and convergence. I will give the meaning for divergence and convergence. Sir, the divergence means lot of n numbers of ideas you can able to generate, but the convergent stages, you should pick, you should narrow down, you should pick the best one. That is the convergence. The innovation journeys are entire things, sir. It's a divergence are there, convergence are there in the innovation journeys. And sir, I'm a student. How I can able to prepare a new innovative product? One questions. Second one is only first row students only can able to invent new things. No, anybody can able to innovate new products. Sir. Only two things is essentially must. I squared, interest and involvement. Without interest, without involvement, you can't able to do anything for particularly the product aspects. Don't think because the scientist only can able to develop a new product. And we well know we are not a rocket scientist, but product is the must. Project is the must. Products. Innovation is don't think innovation is only for product. Innovations may be service. Innovations, your innovations may be process. Your innovations may be business model. Just note it. Innovations mean don't think only for product. Innovations mean service innovations are there. Process innovations are there. Business model, service models also that innovations. And to kill, to engage, to generate a market for through innovative products. Innovation is a culture, sir. Japanese people's how embedded this life as a quality. Similarly, innovation is a culture. Innovations are focused mindset peoples. The innovation is a focus on mindset peoples. And design thinking is a tools. Don't think innovation is only for scientific peoples only. Is exclusive properties, not exclusive property for a designer. All great innovators, even though literatures, A.R. Rahman is the biggest innovators in their field, domains, music, art, service, business model. You take a Reliance business model, Airtel business model. Take lot of innovations are there in and around with you. Just see top 10 inventions in all times. Printing press, light bulbs, airplanes, personal computer, vaccines, automobile car, clock, telephones. These are the inventions the people are calling all-time inventions. All-time inventions. I have one doubt. I think 30 students are there. You tell me why the people are calling it the top. This invention is a all-time best. Top 10 invention in all times. Anyone? Anyone? Why the people are calling? Why the people are? Why
Sir,
the people
it's
are?
customer need.
Hello.
Sir,
Is it because of the customers need?
Yes, customers need this. This is a first point. This is a single point. Hereafter, the lot of people's lot of products are developing. This is the first layer. The next layer. For example, you take a telephone to mobile phone that to smartphones, Android. Nowadays, a lot of next layers are coming. But first thing is the telephone. First thing is a telephone. So these inventions are calling all-time best inventions. And just see that people's nowadays speaking the COVID second wave, people are expecting COVID third wave. The need, the people are nowadays speaking well aware the vaccinations, sanitizer, mask. The people are well aware. Just to note it, need is the mother of all the inventions. Need is the mother of all the inventions. Need, you identify the people's need, then only you can develop on new products. Sir, without human need, you are developing a new product. It's not not useful for the societies. And just see, it's without one mobile phone, without your mobile phone, you can't able to imagine one single day. You can't able to imagine one single day. For example, telephone to mobile phone to that smartphone to that is coming. The revolutions are coming. What is the next? The peoples are expecting every day in a different manners. So only the companies are introducing new mobile models. Take without 25 years before product development, some of the companies is a monopoly. So only one single product, only one varieties are giving. Nowadays is not there. So for example, Nokia Kinetic is world pendable mobile phones are used. The peoples are chip on mobile and glass mobiles, and lot of new things are coming the coming years. Maybe these expectations are not for 10 years. You can able to expect this kind of mobile within the 5 years, all the places. So the innovation product developments are not only for project aspects, it's even though company aspects also, it's a very important. Just see, sir, anybody see that what you are seeing? What is this? Anybody?
Quadcopter, sir.
What you infer? What you are seeing?
Yeah, quadcopter is being used for emergency application.
Nice. Any other answer? Medical drone. Yes, it's a nice answer. Medical drone and medical ambulance. In Bangalore, already implemented. This need is there. Is a Bangalore. You well known. The Bangalore is a biggest traffic city in India. The medical drone and medical ambulance is really needed in Bangalore. So need is there. The people are developed the product, and already you are seeing lot of drones, spy drones, agriculture drones. You are seeing every day different purpose. You are doing things. Just see that concepts are there, the technologies are there. You are taking this concept, drone concept, for medical applications. This is the one kind of product. We will see that different things. Just see that history of printing innovation in Samsung. Sir, Samsung in 1982, that people are introducing the fax machines. You just to go through that Samsung product histories. Each and every year, the people are introducing the first color printer in India. The people are introducing the first compactable color printer in India. Every year, the fastest Xerox machines. The people every year introducing new products. Every year, the people are introducing new products because the customer's need is there. Just see, sir, what is the creativity? Is the ability to generate ideas that are unique, clever, out of the box. You think always out of the box. Don't think like this. You think like this. All the good attributes you can think. And just see that design thinking. We already told to you, design thinking is a tool. It's a human-centered approach. Any products for a human